Good afternoon, World Wide Web. Welcome back to my stock channel. This is James, your favorite ticker picker, with another update video. This one's on Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, everybody's favorite dollar store, turned it into the $1.25 store. If you like Dollar Tree and you want to track the stock values, subscribe to my channel. Like the video, and I'm going to run you through Dollar Tree and some of the information and my personal experiences. Number one, I don't think they can do the $1.25 thing anymore. I think that's over with. The shrinkflation has hit the $1.25 level so much they now have a $3 and a $5 section. I predict the Dollar Tree is going to turn into just a Dollar General type store with stuff with price tags on it all over the place. The checkout lines are going to slow down a little bit. The margins are going to go up and the traffic's going to decrease. I don't know what happens to it after they become not a dollar store. It's already not a dollar store. The lines are long. The number of registers open is very few. There seem to be 2 people working in the entire store, and I'm talking about one of the big Dollar Trees. If you have one of the little Dollar Trees, maybe 2 people can handle that. But I'm talking about the big jumbo stores. It's like a little grocery store. And 2 people. And usually one of them is at the register and one's hiding in the back. Occasionally the second one will open another register. There's always a long line. Everything's $1.25. And I think the cost on it is outweighing the price that they're collecting. They used to buy crap for 60 cents or 75 cents and sell it for $1. And then they all that stuff became, started costing them $1. So then they went to $1.25. And I think now the crap's costing them $1.25. That's my prediction. So let's just look at that with my personal analysis in mind. Here's the 1-year stock history, down 14%. This thing was really up for a while. It looks like it had a big old crash somewhere in late May. It went from 160 to 143. Where it is today, it actually went down to 133. That was the low point right here. The 1-month chart, up $10, not bad, 8%. A little recovery. Should there be a recovery? I guess that's the question. Just common sense tells you that inflation erases the whole dollar concept. They can't package a turd and put it on their shelves at a price of $1. So they would have to raise the price to $1.25, and then a couple of more years of this inflation goes by, where it's 4 or 5, food inflation and goods inflation. Some of this stuff's up 7, 8, 9% still, and after a couple of years, everything goes up 25, 30 cents per everything, and you can't be that anymore. So now they're gonna have to be the $1.50 tree. That's gonna be the next step, or just the dollar store, one or the other. That's my call. I think that's just baked in the minds of everyone at this point. If not, it's baked in mine. Let's see their latest numbers. You see a big company here, quarterly, $7.32 billion. This quarter, 7.72, 7.32. So yeah, they lost revenue. Less people shopping there, even at the higher prices. Now, this was the dollar store, and then they raised the prices 25% to $1.25. So the revenue should have gone up 25%, and it probably did. Maybe that's what happened earlier in the year. I think they switched the prices probably somewhere around here. It kind of flatlined, and then it went up a little bit. Hopefully from the price increase or a good holiday season maybe is what happened. Maybe more people holiday shopping there. Getting some junky crap for stocking stuffers. Candy for Halloween, stuff like that. Revenue, $7.32 billion is down year over year, down by $400 million. They still made a net income of $300 million, which is not the $452 million that they made the year prior. Or I'm sorry, the quarter prior. And before that, it was 266, 359, 536. This one's $2.99. So this one's going to be on the, this would be the second worst one of the year, with a definite dip in revenue. But that might have been comparing it to a Christmas, so that might not be fair. Company is still growing overall. I don't know how they're measuring 2023 yet. We can only see the beginnings of it. But this was also with the price increase. It came with less sales, obviously. 25.51 to 26.32. I don't know how the store-over-store growth was, or whether they're opening or closing. Let's look at their balance sheet. They're right side up. Still a very strong company. They have $642 million. They have a lot of money. 221 million shares outstanding. And let's see if that's warranting this price. 300 million. I don't know. They have a good earnings per share. Let's see what it is. $1.47. Hey. I don't know, though. Can that possibly be going up? That's a lot of earnings per share. And that justifies the price, $143. I don't know. I'd rather own some Disney right now, to be honest with you, or something else. This one here is that their trajectory is just going to change, and it's going to change. It's going to shock people again. The prices are going to have to go up. They can't keep doing what they're doing now. And for that reason, I just have to say that they're going to have some changing issues. And I don't know how much those changing issues come to fruition, but they have such a small gross net profit amount in comparison to their revenue. I mean, they're yanking 300 million out of 7.32 billion. Yikes. That's a very tight balance. That's a very tight margin right there. And their assets are not rising. It's not like they're buying new assets and buying new stores and buying new stuff. And it's not like they're paying off debt either. 14.63, 14.21. Yeah, they did pay off 40 million over 9 months. So good for them. Out of 14.2 billion, they paid off 40 million of it. So this is pretty much it, sports fans. This is what they really make. This is the actual profits of the company. This is what the company is actually making. Just go walk into your local Dollar General. Mine look like they have very long lines and not enough registers to cater to the people, but the people seem to wait in line. But I think the only reason the lines are long is because there's only one register open. And they are reasonably quick. They seem to have hiring problems. They seem to have wage problems. I don't know how happy the employees are. They seem to shuffle staff a lot. I see a new face every time I go in. They're right next door to a place that I frequent, so I try to pop in and grab a few snacky poos on my way through. But yeah, there'll be an effect. I'm not sure what the effect's going to be. If $1.50 is warmly accepted by everybody, then hey, it's going to hopefully jumpstart the revenue. That's what we thought last time, and it kind of worked a little bit. It kept them in business. It kept things upright till now, so maybe that's a legit idea. If they keep watching the revenue or the net income fall, though, they're going to have to make a change. And they can see the writing on the wall before they're going to announce the change before we see it on the books. So, I don't know. This is a tough one to gamble on, you guys. If they make the change, could be good, could be bad. What do you think about Dollar Tree? Leave it in the comments below. I don't have a recommend on this one. For all I know, they could just change the price and everything would just go back to normal and people would just keep buying stuff there. Who knows? If they're still the cheapest guy in town, you still got to go, right? Isn't this where you're going to get your fake food from, your processed cheese, your peanut butter, your taco seasoning, your Three Musketeers bars, your pottery pots and pans and dishes and stuff like that? You can't find it anywhere for these prices. Even if it was the $2 tree, you still wouldn't be able to find anything at these prices. at your local grocery stores. Dollar General might be a competition. If you double the price of Dollar Tree, then you might see some competition finally. So yeah, for that reason, I think I just talked myself into this one. I like it. I'd wait for the scare to hit, wait for the prices to raise, the scare to hit, everyone to freak out a little bit, maybe a bad earnings report, and dive in with confidence. These people can be the $2 tree and do just fine. Really think about it. It's about being the best option. It's not about holding the $1.50 line. I think I was wrong before. Yeah, the $2 tree. Solve everything, give great earnings, still be the best place in town with the best prices. Dollar Tree, everybody. What do you think? Comments below. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. We'll catch you on the next one.